Hey guys, welcome back. So Samsung has already started working on the next upcoming premium flagship, the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which will bring some major improvements from the Galaxy S22 Ultra to enhance the overall user experience. Further, this time looks like the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is also getting a camera upgrade which will use cameras present in the Galaxy S22 lineup. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more daily updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. So 2021 was the first phase for the S Pen revolution. Both the Galaxy S21 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 3 supported the S Pen functionality, by which users were able to use every feature that we get on a Galaxy Note device. But the thing is, none of the devices shipped with the stylus. You had to buy one separately and you couldn't even store the S Pen inside these devices. So this year Samsung came up with the latest idea by giving the S Pen inside the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and now according to the latest information from South Korea, Samsung is planning the same integration of the S Pen inside the next Galaxy Z Fold 4. This will not only enable better multitasking experience, but also users will be able to utilize the inner display for more productive work. However, Ice Universe says that the S Pen stylus will decrease battery on the Z Fold 4, making it only 4000 mAh compared to its predecessor, which comes with 4400 mAh battery. But it is also said that with the Galaxy Z Fold 4, an EMR controller will be used to attach the digitizer to the display. This means the integrated S Pen will no longer need a battery of its own, and it will work perfectly without any battery. It will also allow Samsung to shrink down the S Pen and make some space for bigger battery on the Z Fold 4. The device is also gonna bring the latest high-end Qualcomm chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which comes with improved CPU performance, so normal daily usage will be no issues here. The chipset also comes with the next-gen GPU, provides up to 35% better gaming experience compared to its predecessor. The upgraded AI performance gonna help in better daytime and nighttime photos, and this time Samsung will be using the camera system from the S22 lineup. Now talking about the design, Samsung will keep the old design for the next foldable phone, which means same internal foldable display about 7.56 inches, while the external screen will be about 6.19 inches. And the latest report from Elex says the Z Flip 4 will also rock 6.7 inch main display and 1.9 inch outer display. The outer display is slightly bigger than the one on the Z Flip 3, so not so much of a difference here. So there you go guys, these are the latest updates regarding the Galaxy Z Fold 4 launching this year. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions related to this smartphone. If you enjoy watching this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel as well. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.